So welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are going to be making the chicken fillet burgers with cheese and some crispy bacon. And there you go. Chicken breast burgers with bacon and melted cheese.
Hello and welcome to One Step at a Time Farmstead. Join our family on our journey as we build a like-minded community while living life on our terms in accordance with our beliefs, our convictions, our desires, and above all, our faith in God and our God-given calling.
We promote a self-sufficient, self-sustaining lifestyle, especially with regard to fresh produce and fresh meat and the preservation thereof.
It is our objective to prove that this self-sufficient, sustainable, healthy, happy, and fulfilling lifestyle is possible, even in an urban setting, while adhering to various laws, rules, and regulations of our government.
Our ultimate vision and goal are to obtain and establish functional and profitable farm enterprises where we produce wholesome foods grown and raised according to our conviction in the way that God intended. In other words, organic, natural, chemical-free.
Furthermore, it is our aim to teach and train in the various principles of self-sufficiency, self-reliance, and food security. We foresee hosting, supporting, and sponsoring masterclass training workshops in accordance to our call to the ministry of God.
With your support, we know we can achieve these goals.
Okay, so for the chicken, we're making lemon herb chicken. So all you need to do is put your chicken breasts in a bag, add the lemon herb fries. We'll just seal the bag and put it in the oven tray, and then put it in the oven until the chicken is cooked and still nice and tender. Okay, so while we're waiting for the chicken to do, I'm prepping the potato chips we're having. Well, me and the kids will be having because he's not. He's really trying to stick to eating healthy. So yeah, I've already parboiled the potatoes. I'm making the chips in the air fryer, so parboiling the chips sort of helps that they don't get too dry or too dry before they're done in the air fryer. So I'm busy prepping the chips we'll be having with the burgers tonight. I'm not frying them. I'm not deep fat frying them. I'm going to be putting them in the air fryer. Suppose it's a little bit more healthy than putting them just in oil and deep fat frying them. So all I do is a little bit of olive oil over the chips and then some spice. Some salt if it comes out. Go. Make sure they're all covered. And also go to the air fryer. Just prepping the veggies for the burgers. Okay, so prepping veggies is done. And I think we're going to start prepping the bacon as well. Okay, so I'm going to fry the bacon, just for it to be nice and crispy. And I also want to try and toast the buns on here as well. Okay, so just getting the bread rolls ready. Bacon's done. Okay, and then we're going to toast the buns a little bit. Okay, so the chips are done, nice and crispy. Okay, so you can see the chips, can you see? Yeah, came out nice and crispy. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of vinegar. Oops, that was a bit much. Okay, and some salt. Now we wait for the next batch. And we're just going to let the chicken go a little bit longer. Okay, so we let that go in for a few more minutes. Some mayo. As usual, my kids don't eat onions. And we'll just add some salt and pepper. We're just going to fry the cheese again, or melt the cheese, grilled cheese. It's mozzarella, so I don't really think it's going to go like the cheddar or Gouda. But melted cheese is also just as good. Sort of looks more like a cheese sauce, but it's good. Got bacon. And there you go. Chicken breast burgers with bacon and melted cheese. Hope you enjoyed the video with us and see you for the next one. Bye.